This is the second video of notice writing. Fine. In my previous video, I explained to you the format in which we have to write or draft a notice. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about some very important and points and errors which students commit in the examinations, and we are going to hear from the very beginning itself. We are going to make sure that we don't commit these errors in the examination. Now, the first thing that the first error that the students commit is that they either write ABC school issuing authority. Fine. They issuing organization, in the name of the issuing organization, they either write ABC school or they write XYZ school, which can be avoided. Either fictitious name should be written or as it is mentioned in the question. Under no circumstances should you write the name of your own school. Please don't disclose the identity of your own identity and the identity of the school. Okay. The next error is committed by the students in the first line of the notice. Now, the first line can be either this is to inform. As of now, I'm just reading you. Fine. This is to inform you that our school is going to organize a sports meet as per the following schedule. Or this is to bring to your notice. Fine. We can use any language, any first line to draft our notice. The rule is that we don't have to use pronouns like you, I, and we in our notice writing. Fine. We also don't have to use determiners like your. Okay. So, how to avoid this? This is to inform. You don't have to use the word you or you don't have to use the word your. Fine. So I have given an examination tip here that in place of these, you think of the audience, think of the people, think of the common noun to whom the notice is addressed. This is to inform the students. This is to inform the staff. This is to inform, I have written examples here. This is to inform the clients. This is to inform the residents. So you will know, just think in your mind. This is to inform dash whom. This is to inform the teachers. This is to inform the residents of Sunrise Colony. Okay. That, and then the common error that the students commit is that they use the word are. In place of this word are, we always have to use the definite article the, that the school or the society, the bank, whatever, fine, is going to organize a sports meet as per the following schedule. Now, why I have written this here is that you can either write the date of the event, the time, and the venue in this way, or you can write it in paragraph form, sentence form itself, like this. Fine. That this is to inform the students that the school is going to organize a sports meet on 28th January 2000 and then the year from 9 a.m. onwards in the school ground. The same information can be written in tabular form, one below the other, or it can be written in a paragraph form in sentences one below the other. It is correct. You can use any way of writing your information in the notice. Okay. Though I feel that if the information is written in this way, it is more easy to grasp. Okay. Still, any one of them can be used.